Perfect. Go for it.
So I'm Anaïs. I'm a new intern at Life After Hummus, and so I think that those classes, I've just started to get to know them a few months ago, but I really think it's an amazing program. Be it for physical health, of course, because everything is really nutritious and perfectly healthy, but also for mental health, because just cooking together first is such a good way to get out of isolation, for instance, or just doing something and that helps you. I think that's really, cooking is really something that can help people get out of their everyday life and think that they can be worried about or so on. But just as a personal example, for me, this kind of cooking, this kind of healthy food is what took me out of bulimia. So it's really something that helped me, and now I feel so guilty-free about cooking, guilty-free about eating. And I think it's really something that Farah insists on a lot, about being guilt-free, and it's fine if you don't eat what you're supposed to sometimes, and it's about having pleasure when you eat and eating the right thing, but always with pleasure.
Mm-hmm. So do you think that these classes should be funded by the NHS?
Well, definitely, because I think it's such... It's a way that your memory is going to always remember it. It's not just a paper. There's so many times, for instance, where I got to a nutritionist and I got a paper and I knew that I was supposed to do that and that.
Yeah.
And sometimes it seems so boring, but it seemed like the right thing. So you thought, yeah, I'm going to do it because it's the right thing. But you don't end up doing it because it's all about habit. And it's all about also the people around you. So when you go to the classes, you've got other people doing it. Then it tells you, yeah, I'm part of a community. You can get the contacts of the other people, you can help you, they can help you, you can help them. And you do it, so you know how to do it. And it also tastes delicious. So you know how to make something healthy taste delicious, or at least you remember it, that it can taste delicious. So I think it's really something that would help on the long term.